Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Salesforce reports for analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Reports tab located in the main menu. Click on New Report to create a fresh report. Select the report type that aligns with your data needs. Click the Continue button to proceed. In the Report Builder, drag and drop fields from the left sidebar to the report canvas. Use filters to refine your data by clicking on the Filters pane. Set your filter criteria to focus on the specific data you want. Adjust the date range if necessary to include only relevant information. To group your data, drag a field into the Group Rows section. Explore the format options to change how your data displays. You can choose to display your report in a summary, matrix, or joined format. Use the chart option to visualize your data effectively. Select the type of chart that best represents your analysis. Customize the chart by choosing colors and labels for clarity. Once satisfied with your report, click Save and Run. Name your report descriptively so it's easy to identify later. Decide on the folder where you want to store the report for easy access. Choose visibility settings to control who can view the report. After saving the report, review the data to ensure it meets your goals. You can now share the report by clicking on Share. If collaboration is needed, invite team members to view or edit. For ongoing analysis, schedule the report to run automatically at set intervals. Use the dashboard feature to incorporate your report into a visual overview. Finally, explore other report options for deeper insights and analytics. Review your report regularly to adapt to changing business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.